Mum. What? Jesus Christ, are we doing? Why did I waste that on 8 minutes? No, I meant 10 seconds. What the Johnny? Oh my God, what's doing that? Mum, when are we going to investigate?
This one gets 2 points now because he won.
Why?
Other ball.
Okay. But there's no other ball. Oh, I found another ball.
Yes.
Ollie, I'm recording a video right now, so I can't do anything. I can't do anything.
Okay,
I'll record it. Mom, when in the world are we going to investigate? It's nearly been a minute. It's nearly been a minute for this video. Hey, Mom, what in the world are we doing? Because I'm on the camera and I'm doing nothing. Just wasting my time on the camera. I'm just wasting my time on the camera. Mom, I've been recording this video for a minute and 20 seconds. No. I don't need a wait. Good thing this video is private. And what? What? Put what? No. Why? My camera will just be completely dark. Ollie, what are you doing? What? What are you doing? Come on, Ollie. It hasn't even been an hour.
You what?
Hasn't even been an hour yet. Because look, I'm recording you on my video. That is for no reason. I don't know why I'm recording a video for no reason. Ollie, do you want to watch this video after I've posted it?
Yeah.
It will. Take my hand, doggy. Sniff my hand, Ollie. Check out Wish. Check. But what you get? What's the? No, man! Don't get rid of my video. I'm recording this video.
I know.
Ollie, are you putting your Crocs on?
Yeah.
I'll sit on the stairs.
You can't take that way.
Let's find out where that music's coming
Come on then.
from.
Where we're going? Where we're going? Left, this way. Where's that noise coming from? Oh. Do we go this side?
No, straight forward.
I think other people are coming. Why not? Ollie, get out of the video. Okay, I'll include Ollie because he hasn't been in for the last 4 minutes. Okay, Ollie. Why are we going to investigate?
Because we're seeing where that song's coming from.
Yes. Why?
I don't understand.
I don't know why I'm putting this on.
But my
Ollie, what are you doing?
like, how is that impossible?
You're not in the video now.
You must have been like,
Yeah, you are.
and bounced and kicked all over her.
Okay.
Sorry guys, that was good.
No, Ollie, don't you guys. This is not a video. This is not a YouTube video.
Are you getting mum in it?
Because I want you to be in the video for no reason.
Here and they're going to drop it.
I'm not.
Right, Hayden, turn it off for now. Will you
No.
Turn it off till you get there.
No. My That video won't be saved.
It won't video that long.
Why?
So you need to turn it off till you get there.
That's what I was.
Why?
It won't video for that long.
It will.
It won't.
It can video for an hour.
It can't. I'll leave it on the path.
You know what, Mum? I'll just end it.